Hello there. So in this video, we're going to be talking about a PNC app not working and fixing common issues. So there could be a lot of possibilities and a lot of issues that could be going on. So first, let's start with the network connection error. Make sure that you have Wi-Fi or cellular data which is stable, and disable any active VPN because it is a very common issue. Also, switch between the Wi-Fi and cellular data to test stability, or you could also try turning on and turning off the airplane mode in order to go ahead and reset your network. If your app is freezing, not loading, or login button is unresponsive, then just simply go ahead and try restarting your device completely. You could also try reinstalling the application, or if you're in Android, then clear the app cache. If you're having login failures, then simply go ahead and verify that your user ID and your password are correct. Manually type it rather than auto-filling it, and that is it. If nothing works, then you can actually go ahead and contact the support. So that is it. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.